In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom letters with Canva. Whether you're designing a greeting card, crafting a personalized invitation, or simply having fun with typography, Canva is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you bring your creative ideas to life with ease. So, let's dive into the process of creating custom letters using Canva. To get started, first, ensure you're logged into your Canva account and head over to your dashboard. You'll notice two main options here: Create or Recent Designs. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and click Create. However, if you're looking to build on something you've worked on previously, selecting from your recent designs can save you some time and effort as it jumps you right into that design. Once your canvas is open, the next step is to focus on the specifics of your text. Look towards the left-hand side and click on the Text option. This section is where you can insert text into your design. Now, you'll need to decide the style that fits your vision, and that's where fonts come in. Right after clicking Text, direct your attention to the Font option. Here, you will be greeted by a plethora of font styles for every mood and occasion. As you scroll through the choices, think about the aesthetic you're aiming for and select a font that resonates with your project's theme. Now, on to color, an essential aspect of design that can significantly influence the mood and impact of your text. Once your font is chosen, click on Text Color from the menu at the top of your screen. This is where you can infuse creativity into your letters by selecting colors that either complement or boldly contrast with your chosen background. The choice of color is crucial because it's not just about what looks good, it's about creating a feeling or enhancing a message. To wrap things up, remember that Canva is forgiving. Play around with different combinations of fonts and colors using the Undo feature until you land on a design that feels just right. Don't hesitate to try multiple styles and hues before settling. Exploring these options might even inspire new ideas or directions for your project. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating custom letters with Canva. Simple, right? With time, you'll find that the drag-and-drop, user-friendly interface of Canva makes it increasingly easier to enhance your designs. So, go ahead, unleash your creativity and see how dynamic and engaging your personalized text can become. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and happy designing.